Hi kids, today we're going to talk about our 5 senses. Our senses are like our superpowers. They help us understand everything that's going on in the world around us. With our 5 senses, we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Fill in the blank on this song to know which sense we're going to talk about first. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What word did I not say? What did you have to fill in? Yeah, eyes. With our eyes, we see. What's something you can see right now? Yeah, you can see me, Miss Lauren. In the summer, when the sun is so bright, we might need to put on sunglasses to protect our eyes from the sun and so that we can see better when it's really bright outside. Okay, fill in the blank for the next sense. Are you ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What word did I not say? Yeah, ears. With our ears, we hear. We can hear everything that's going on around us. Right now, you can hear me, Miss Lauren. What are some things you might hear in the summer? If you're on the beach, you might hear waves crashing on the sand. Or maybe you hear seagulls flying in the sky. Or maybe you might hear the ice cream truck coming down the street when it's really hot and you want that ice cream to cool off on a hot summer day. Okay, let's do another one. Fill in the blank. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I did not say mouth. I did not say mouth. So we're going to talk about our mouth. With our mouth, we taste. Can you taste Miss Lauren right now? No, you can't taste Miss Lauren. We can taste things that are sweet, salty, spicy, sour, savory. There's so many different things that we can taste. Something that I like to taste in the summer is sweet, juicy watermelon. I love the taste of watermelon. Ready for another sense? All right, here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What didn't I say? I did not say nose. And with our nose, we smell. We use our nose to smell. There are good smells and there are bad smells. Does chocolate smell good or bad? Chocolate smells really, really good. Does trash smell good or bad? Trash does not smell good. Trash smells bad. There are so many different things you can smell in the summertime, like a barbecue if a grown-up is on the grill, or even fresh cut grass. That smells really good. We have one more sense, but this one is not in the song. Let's see. We did see, hear, taste, smell. Do you remember what our 5th sense is, our last one? It's touch. Touch is the last way that we understand the world around us. So what's something we might touch in the summertime? We might touch, what can stick to our hands in the summer? We might touch sand on the beach, or maybe we touch cold water and we can feel the temperatures and the different textures. Textures can be sandy or smooth or soft or bumpy. There are lots of different textures that we can feel. Later today, see if you can use all 5 of your senses. See, hear, smell, taste, and touch. I had so much fun talking about those 5 senses with you. What should we talk about next time? Come back soon and find out. Bye!